Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video we are going to be talking about how you can browse any website in desktop mode using your Safari browser. A lot of people were asking me this question, that how can we browse our websites in desktop mode using our Safari browser. So I'm here with a new video on this topic. There is an option to browse your websites in desktop mode using your Safari browser, but it's somehow hidden feature. You'll have to search for it. So in this video we will see how you can turn on desktop mode in your Safari browser. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So first of all, open Safari browser, and then let's say I want to open Google in desktop mode. So I'll have to click on this Google, and now it's mobile mode, not desktop mode. So what I'll have to do is to turn on Google in desktop mode, to browse Google in desktop mode, or to browse any other website in desktop mode in my Safari browser. So what I'll have to do is, as you can see that google.com.pk, and here is the option, here is the icon of reload. So I will have to press long on this icon, as you can see that. Okay, so it's so simple. Here is the option of request desktop site. So I'll have to click on this button, request desktop site. Okay, it's done. Now as you can see that it is now in desktop mode. So I'm browsing my Google in desktop mode in my Safari browser. So that's how you can browse any website in desktop mode using your Safari browser. So that's all for this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do it now so you won't miss my videos in future. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.